for people who ask me to show you some abs exercises, but not much. They want to gradually begin doing abs exercises. So we're gonna start from the upper abs and we gradually gonna go to the lower ones. They don't want to do the obliques. I don't know why, because for me obliques are fun. So let's begin with the upper abs. So we're gonna, for the safety of your low back, fixate it here down on the floor. And let's do the basics of the basics. So your head continues the line of the spine. And you're gonna lift up through your chest all the time, not through your neck, because many people do this with their head. That's it, you're crushing your neck. So let's try something. So right now my abs are already working. Put your hand behind your head, and now let your head rest. Try to make sure that your head is now resting. Okay? So now hands on your thighs, feet not right under your knees, because then you're moving the pressure to your lower, to your back, to your low back. So slide your feet down that they barely hold on the floor. So hands on your thighs, and we're reaching towards your knees. And you're lifting up again, not through your head, but through your chest, and engage your abs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And for some of you, these 10 could be already enough. You could already get out of breath. If you didn't, just simply change your hands. Okay? So make sure that your head is heavy, that it's resting on your hand, and we're doing another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Okay, we're windchilling your knees now. Now, when you windshield your knees, make sure that you're doing it from your hips if you're afraid that your sciatic nerve is gonna hurt. So don't do this, okay? So don't drop your knees to the floor, because otherwise your bum gonna lift off the floor and you're gonna get a twist in your low back area. Right? So next, what do we do next? Again, lift your head and shoulders up. Let's lift up your legs, flex your feet, rest. Good. Again, you're reaching up through your chest. Let your head rest. You can easily do both arms, but then I'm afraid that you're gonna be, again, thrusting your head, which we don't want to happen. Let's reach directly up. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you are either resting now or you are changing the hands. When you master 10, 10, 10, 10, you can bring it one more notch up by squeezing something between your feet or between your knees. You can grab a block, you can grab any ball. Oh, I can see this. Una secunda. The punching glove. Okay. So the next one. So you're lifting up. Or you can place it between your knees. Doesn't really matter. Okay. Let's do it. All this progression. 1, 2, 3 from the chest. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're up, and now you're squeezing this. 1, 2, hold it. 3, 4, 5. Drop. Good job. Again, squeezing touches the ground and hold. Let's change the hands. Yep, arm goes back, leg comes down and hold. Awesome. And you know what? I think this is enough for the beginners. And it's your upper abs. The lower abs I'm not going to give you for sciatica. Okay? So, anything else? What else did I promise? Oh, and I promised right away, give it for the back part of it. So you're turning down to your belly. And whatever you do on your belly, lengthen first. Lengthen all the time. So how do you lengthen? You turn your wrists outward and you walk forward. Again, notice that I always keep my low back part on the ground. So I lift up to the level of my lower ribs. So turning my wrists out, walking forward with my lower ribs, pushing the chest forward. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. The reason why I turn my hands in such a weird manner is I want only spine work. I want it to lengthen and I want it to strengthen. If I put my hands like this and I automatically put my weight into my hands and I'm gonna squeeze my shoulders, shrugging them. We don't want this to happen. So this is why by turning your wrists out, you turn your arms up. You don't apply any pressure to them. Okay? So let's do it. Again, so we're lengthen, 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 lengthen. And now we can work with the bum and with the back, with the upper back. So the whole back part. Because we've already lengthened, we done the upper back, but we want to do the low back safely. So we're going to proceed with one leg only. So don't lift both of the legs at the same time. No, 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 no. You're lifting just one, and you're going to be lifting opposite arm. Again, watch. Now I'm pressing in here. I don't want this to happen. I'm going to turn it off. Now it's so much harder for you to lift up the leg and lift up the other arm. Let's do it 3 times. Glue your ear to your upper arm. So opposite sides, leg, my right leg right now and my left arm. Let's do 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And don't do like this. No turkey. Okay? So always control your muscles. Good. So let's do the other side. So show from here. Arm, opposite leg, glue the hand here, glue the ear to your upper arm. And let's do 3 times. 1, and 2, and 3. Now you're going to alternate it and repeat a few times. Okay, and you finish counterposing. So from the back bend, you go into the forward bend. So child's pose. Bump to your heels, wrap your arms around, and just go down and rest. Don't push your head into the floor. Okay. Don't push. Lower down. And let your arms drop down and rest.